welcome to MasterChef Australia. Today we're gonna make healthy versions of Flanilla, which is a phenomenal dessert by the amazing cook Tommy Pham on MasterChef Australia. Some sugar, or I use stevia instead, lime juice, vanilla bean paste, and water. We need to separate the egg yolk apart from the egg white. So I have done some here, and let's crack on. But try not to whisk too hard because we want to try to avoid the bubbles for the smooth texture later. Now we're gonna get 50 grams of sugar, and then after the milk is boiled to a lukewarm temperature. By boiling, I mean is that you try to stop it before it's boiling. We're gonna pour some sugar into that and mix it all together. So now we're gonna pour the milk and the sugar onto the stove. So for this recipe, I alternate the normal sugar with stevia, so we can do that for healthier alternatives. Just gonna make the caramelization sauce on the side. What we do is we're gonna need 50 grams of sugar. Before it starts to boil, let's turn it off. So in the meantime, I also heat this up here, and we're gonna pour some water into the pans to make the caramelized sauce. The milk here and the eggs which we whisked earlier. Let's hold them all together and whisk it all. I'm gonna drain this through the strainer for a couple times because we want any residue to be dissolved, and so we have smoother texture. 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste, just so that we can feel all that vanilla texture in the flan. You can see that, like since stevia, it doesn't really thicken for that caramelization. So don't worry about that because we're gonna make some coffee shot later as well. So right now I'm just gonna pour some of the layer, like not too thick, probably about 1 to 2 meters. Now, instead of wasting time, we're gonna get the shots ready for later. Up to your preferences, you can use either coffee beans if you have coffee machine at home. I'm gonna pour the flan mixture into this, and for this one, I'm just gonna pour, not full all the way to the mouth, but leave some room there. Maybe you probably want like 1/3 of the cup so that the flan will plop off later. I'm gonna boil some water. I'm gonna use this steamer here. Like honestly guys, it's so hard to find a universal steamer. The moment we've been waiting for is right now, right here. I'm just gonna make the shots. Gonna put about 2 teaspoons of sugar into this. Mix it all well. I know, it doesn't look that as perfect as what we saw on the TV, but that's the fun of it. As long as the taste is good inside, right guys? On top, 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Flavor of vanilla, but also that texture, that light, soft, melty texture of flan. Definitely a good one to try when you crave for some dessert, but also with some coffee as well. There you go, Flanilla. Thank you so much for watching or making this with me throughout the video. I hope you enjoyed this dish. I hope it makes your night more fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Please let me know in the comment below if you have made this by commenting Flanilla or tag me on social media. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!